Hey guys. We're taking a break from the struggles of adulting to be a kid again because I'm putting myself into a video game. So I'm releasing a song for the Halloween season per usual, and for this video I'm going to be putting myself into a video game using green screen. You guys know I've fallen in love with green screen. I've been doing a lot of green screen content, especially when it comes to my music. So I'm like, well, what better time than Halloween to throw ourselves into a video game, because I've always loved the little video game edits people are doing, like building your character and all that good stuff. And this song is called The End, so I felt like it was perfect because, you know, the end of a video game. The concept is that I'm going to be passing 3 different levels during the game, so that's kind of like the 3 different verses in the song that I'll be passing each level. My brother is featuring in this song. Ian's a long time coming for us to have a song together that's actually releasing, so I'm excited. He's a part of the music video. We already shot his part because he's in school in New Orleans, so we shot it when he was in town a couple weeks ago. But yeah, today is the official shoot day and I'm just excited. The packages are here for this shoot, so let's open these babies up. Per usual, we went to Amazon for this shoot. Sprite, there we go. White balance was off too. I did like a little warm dough. I meant to open this before the shoot so that I could make sure everything was here. But it's just been hectic, you guys. Still dealing with the house stuff. You guys saw the vlog. So I got another green screen, you guys, just because the green screen I have now is actually huge, but I wanted to extend it even more further to the ground. This shoot is, like I said, a green screen shoot, and as I've learned more about green screen, I'm like, okay, the more I can cover the space with green screen, I can do scenes where I'm like running a little bit longer or walking a bit longer, because the green screen will be longer. So I was like, what better way to do that than have 2 green screens? So I think this is going to come in handy with a lot of the content that I shoot. And then I got some new shades, you guys. I'm not supposed to be spending a lot of money right now. Okay, and then there we go. So I got some new shades, you guys. Obviously I have some shades, but the ones, like my favorite shades that I love, they broke when I was doing the recreating your Pinterest board shoot. And I was like, dang, those are like the shades I imagined for this video. So I kind of bought a similar wraparound pair of black shades from Amazon. They're not completely the same, so wow, these like totally just blocked out that light. These are gonna be my character's glasses. So this package I have to be really careful with opening because I'm returning this. Basically, I bought this item with the intention for it to be returned, but it was a necessity for the video. And I tried to find a way to rent it, and the price to rent was the same as the price to buy. So here we are. Here we go. Wow. Alright, so we have a Jackson guitar. So I've now had a Fender, which I believe Fender also owns Jackson. I've had a Gretsch and a Jackson. I have yet to learn how to play it either. Basically, this song has a guitar solo, and that's how I defeat the final level, and it's inspired by Guitar Hero, which is a game I used to play a lot as a kid. I'm filming in my sister's room. Shout out Sid the Human. Check out her vlog channel if you haven't already, because my room I kind of rearranged. It doesn't have space for a studio, and she's in college, so why not? I'm gonna FaceTime my sister, get her formal permission to use her room. Hello. What are you doing, little one? You're so cute. I was gonna ask if I can use your room for a green screen shoot, since I kind of set up my room where I can't have a studio.
Yeah.
Great!
Okay.
Y'all, so we are all set up. My sister has officially approved me using her room. Whenever I shoot green screen, I like to just really light the place up. So I have my 2 newer LED lights here. And then I'm using my Pixel P80 once again. So I'm going to just do a 3-point light setup, and then I'm going to be shooting on my Sony A7S with a Sigma 24 to 70 millimeter lens. I put my green screen on a backdrop. I may have to, I think this should be high enough, hopefully. And then I just kind of extended it. I didn't realize my green screens would be 2 different colors, but I think it should still work out. But this is just because I'm going to shoot the video vertically, so it'd be nice. It's nice to have as much space here so I could even do like a walking scene. I can get in a good amount of steps. before I run out of green screen. So they actually just sent a preview of the potential final song, and I just heard the first verse and was about to freak out, so y'all are coming with me through this journey. Wardrobe was laid out, so I'm gonna go ahead, get my hair and makeup done, get dressed, and time to shoot. Alright, so we're all dressed and ready. So I'm gonna grab the props. I think I'm gonna have like a weapon, even though I'm not even gonna use it in any of the scenes, but I think it'd be cool to just start off with one and make people think this is what it ain't gonna be. And then, yeah, so I'm gonna use my blade, my prop blade. I got my guitar. Let's get it. So I'm just doing a little planning preparation, making sure I have all the shots in line, fully shaped, looking through the footage that's going to take place in the green screen just to get an idea of my actions. And so while I'm planning, you guys go ahead and check out the behind the scenes of shooting my brother's part of the song, and we'll be back for mine. Hey guys. So it's 12 o'clock in the morning. Just kidding. It's only like 7:30 p.m. I'm not dressed to film because we're not shooting me today, but we're shooting a music video for a song my brother's featuring in, and he actually happens to be in town. He's in school right now in college, but he's in town for fall break, so I want to go ahead and shoot his feature for this music video, and then I'm going to shoot mine in a few weeks, but it's all green screen, so I'm going to go ahead and set that baby up. The ocean. Get my equipment. We are all set up. Time to text the talent. The talent is here. Ian's mind. Welcome to the stew. Just a full look. I'm gonna go ahead and film the safety shots first just because they're quick and I'm supposed to have a call in about an hour, so I just want to at least get started, get those over with. Alright, so now I'm gonna do level 2. I'm gonna shoot level 2 first, the maze level, because I need to choreograph level 1. So this when I'm fighting my brother. Hopefully this turns out well, because this is all green screen, improvise, and hope. Put the shades on for this one. Alright, so we completed the safety close-up shots, completed level 2 in the maze. So I'm gonna move on to level 3 in the graveyard. This is the one with the guitar solo, all that jazz. I'm gonna eat real quick because I'm kind of hungry and I think I have a call in about 10 minutes. So good time to take a break and we'll be back. Hey guys, so after lunch my seller called me because I'm trying to purchase a home and was giving me the breakdown of the contract, and just all this stuff started happening, and I went to go look at some other homes, and yeah, so pretty much like this is probably 5 hours later, but time to continue to shoot. Alright, so I switched outfits because now we're doing the change outfit scene. So I believe I have all the shots I need, so I'm gonna go ahead, chill out, dump the footage, get on ready. It's been a long day. I'm probably gonna go through it tomorrow, but I do need to film the intro scene. Should be pretty much coming home, getting on my sister's Game Boy and starting the game that I'm gonna be in, and yeah, we'll see. Great things, guys and girls. So I'm pretty much almost done editing this music video. This one was a hard one. This is probably one of the toughest videos I ever had to edit. I really had to like sit there and figure out how to get each scene to look how I wanted it to. But yeah, so now I need to film the intro scene, which is me walking in and starting to play the video game, which you guys have already seen if you saw the music video. And then I'm gonna finalize the edit today. It releases on Friday, so it's exciting times. Alright, so the plan for the scene is I'm gonna walk in like I'm coming home from work, as I just did. Just basically plop on the couch and start the Game Boy.